Uthuthuria uria utafanitio ni ciama itiganite iri ithurimaga ukinyaniria wa mitaratara ya githomo rungu rwa ngwataniro ya elimu yetu coalition wonanitie ati mamwe ma mendekithia maria maheyanirwo ni kamiti iria ikoretwo igithurima mogaruruku sekta-ini ya githomo marabatara kwamba guthurimwo keri mbere ya mambiriirie gukinyanirio. Kuringana na ciama ici, mendekithia maria mayukitio na njira nene ni hamwe na guthurimwo gwa kigina kia mahuthiro ma arutwo, o thukuru gukorwo kiheo kigina gia kwirugamirira na kugacirithia mutambo wa NEMIS niguo arutwo othe makorwo makiamukira kigina kia mahuthiro. Anyiti itemi makiuga ndereti ya ugai wa kigina kia mahuthiro ma arutwo na ihinda riria kigina giki gikinyagira mathukuru ni auditi iria nene muno makiria.
Capitation is meant, among other things, to ensure that the government provides free basic education. And what that simply means is that the government should be committed to the provision of that.
Funding is not taken care of properly, then it will affect the number of teachers, the quality of teachers, and the quality of education that the learners also receive.
Niondo wa itumi itiganite ari hamwe na kwaga certificate ya guciarwo makiria ya arutwo 200,000 matikoretwo makiamukira mbeca cia mahuthiro kuma kuri thirikari. Ikundi ici kienda kihonia kia naihenya gia kuhuthia wandikithia wa arutwo na mutaratara wa NEMIS.
We are talking of digital era and all that. Then you find for some reason a student has not been awarded capitation because the process is NEMIS.
I see several things here. Number one, the need to streamline the NEMIS system. And you can't give it to the Presidential Working Party in the context that they tried to do this by addressing certain issues related to birth certificates, which was actually making it possible to have a very streamlined NEMIS system.
Kuringana na William Sugut, afitha kuma Ministry ya Githomo, thirikari iri mubango-ini wa gucokaniriria riboti ikoni arutwo othe kuma githomo kia muthingi kinyagia ngathi cia iguru.
If this child is born and they get a birth certificate there and then and they get a UPI and therefore we capture that data as the child moves to school, we will not be struggling to find out how many children have not done this.
The government is proposing comprehensive school which will have ECD, primary and junior secondary, and this will require a lot of changes in policy, regulations and laws.
Ciama ici irenda kurutithania wira na Ministry ya Githomo niguo kugia na mweke wa kurunga ukinyaniria wa mitaratara ya githomo ari hamwe na mutaratara wa CBC riri arutwo marathie na mbere kwambatira ngathi itiganite cia githomo rungu rwa mutaratara uyu.
Teacher Service Commission should consider recruiting, deploying, retooling enough teachers for grade 7 and grade 8, at least for now, going towards grade 9.
We are monitoring, we are ready to also make our input to help the government to implement fully CBC, as we ensure that the teachers are working in a good environment, they have good pay, issues of promotions are taken care of, and therefore they are fully motivated.
Handu-ini ha KAMITII TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.